Hello children, hope you all are doing well. In this video, I will give you few more questions and answers from the poem The Cold Within. First question, what do you think the fire symbolizes? Answer, in this poem written by James Patrick Kinney, the fire symbolizes common good. Full stop. The fire in the poem lights up the world, comma, warms up the living without ever thinking of its dying self. Full stop. Every moment, comma, the fire dies out for the sake of others. Second question, what does the dying fire need? Answer, in this poem Cold Within, the fire is about to die out. Full stop. The fire needs more wood to burn and make others warmer. Full stop. The 6 humans in the poem have logs in their hands. Full stop. They could have saved the fire by thrusting the log into it and saved themselves. Full stop. They could have stood united at a crucial time and lent a hand without bothering about caste, color, creed, or other divisive factors. Full stop. But none of the human did so. Full stop. And finally, the dying fire did not get the log of wood and the fire stopped. Next question, how did the first human react? Answer, the first human was a white lady. Full stop. She was a racist. Full stop. She was not ready to sacrifice her log into the extinguishing fire, as she noticed that one among her fellow beings was black. Full stop. She was too stubborn and adamant enough not to save the life of a black. Full stop. And as a result, the fire finally extinguished because of the selfishness of the lady. Next question. Why do you think the second one declined his stick? Answer, in the poem written by James Patrick Kinney, the second human too declined his stick into the fire because when he was looking around to all his fellow members, he found one among his group doesn't practice the faith he does. Full stop. So it became very difficult for him to save a man who doesn't belong to his church. Next question, how did the poor man react? The poor man hated rich and their ideal nature. Full stop. He was not willing to spend his hard-earned possession to save the life of a rich man who never thinks about the poor. Full stop. So the poor man also neglected to give his log of wood to the fire. Next question. Why did the black man's face bespeak revenge? Question mark. Answer. The black man's face bespoke revenge because he has been a victim of racism by the white. Full stop. He wanted to show his protest for the age-long exploitation as well. Full stop. He needed to avenge the whites. Full stop. Hence, he was not ready to use his stick to save a white. Full stop. Instead, he used it as a sign of protest. Next question. Within inverted comma, their sticks held tight in death's still hands. inverted comma close. Explain. Answer. The above line is taken from the poem The Gold Within, which tells the human scene of not staying closer or helping each other. Full stop. 6 of the humans were not ready to help each others at a crucial time, and they stuck on to different trivia. Full stop. Finally, comma, none of them could see light again as the fire died out, taking them along with it to death. Full stop. Death had taken possession of those 6 sticks in its frozen hands. Full stop. Next question. How did they die? Question mark. Answer. The 6 humans with the least tinge of humanness in them succumbed before death. Full stop. It was the death of their true selves. Full stop. They died not because of the severe winter, but the winter they created in their minds. Full stop.